Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock private Facebook profile. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to follow is to open any browser. And so here you can see that, and then you need to search for the profile. So I'm going to search for this profile. As you can see that this profile is logged. As you can see that, so you simply need to click on the link of that profile and click on the pencil icon, and then you need to scroll here in the top of the at the start of the link. So let me scroll it until I am at the start of the link. Okay, so let me scroll it to the start. Okay, and after M you simply need to click on and type basic and hit that. So this is the profile, and then you can see that her profile looks. Simply need to click on the profile picture and download that image, and then you need to click on the cover and download that. So this is the only method possible to see the photos or unlock Facebook profile. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.